Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in to KT Garage. Today I'm going to show you the jack points for the 1990 Mustang, but this should be good for any Fox body. Okay, so we're going to look at the passenger side first, the front passenger side. You see this channel right here. Places a few inches back from the channel, from the curve of the channel. Now you're going to see some lines here. I believe there's the vapor line, there's a fuel line, but they are sitting above the channel. So when you jack it up, make sure you're not damaging these. And then let's look at the rear. So the rear of the vehicle, there's a torque box that's sitting back here. I'll zoom out a little bit for you. So it's probably 6 inches or so from the back. Fender well, and then in about 8 inches, and there's a flat area, and this is really thick. It's nice and safe for you to put jack points, or safe for you to put your jack there. And then same thing on the other side. I'll just go ahead and show you anyway. So on the driver's side is right there. That's the torque box. Nice and safe location to put them. And then it's a little bit easier on the driver's side front, since you don't have those fuel lines, and you can clearly see the channel where you place your jack. Now I do have a 2-post lift, but for you guys, if you want to jack the car up, you still can jack it right there and you'll be good. So now you look at this car. I already did a whole lot of repair when I restored the vehicle, but people put jack stands along here and the jacks along here and folded all of these metal pieces. So you're not supposed to do that. Don't jack your car out here, guys. It might even collapse this rocker panel, and it's gonna ruin your car. That's where you're supposed to place a jack. I hope the video is helpful. Be sure to tune in to KT Garage for other tips on how to work on your Fox Body Mustang. Appreciate you guys tuning in. If you like the content, please like and subscribe. Thank you.